Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make shaded 2 in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select one image and I'm just going to copy paste and make as an overlay for this one, and you're just going to um, select model plane and I'm just going to select overlay. So make sure on the first frame and select add keyframe and swipe to the last frame and adjust for the scale until 500 and add a keyframe. Okay, so this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.